We are getting close to time, and at the time where we should lose that signal. Folks are watching the radio science display right now, so let's go to Todd and Joni in Mission Control.
Hi, Gay. Well, 6 minutes to go till we're 6 feet under, so it's going to be hard to say goodbye here. Radio display still looks great, as we just saw on screen. Mission Control, I hear a lot of buzz in the room about the thruster cycles, because the thrusters are firing. We're still outside the atmosphere, and they're just keeping deadbands, keeping that pointing on Earth as long as possible. So things aren't too crazy yet, but once we hit that atmosphere, things happen super fast. So let's look around the room.
As ACS is nominal. We're in low rate mode, and we're waiting for high rate mode transition.
Copy, thank you.
So that was
indicated. Fault protection systems lead.
Go ahead, system lead.
Just going to get a quick subsystem status, please.
AECS fault protection is nominal.
Copy, thank you. Thermal systems lead.
Thermal devices subsystem is nominal.
Copy, thank you. Power systems lead.
Power subsystem is nominal.
Copy, thank you. System fault protection systems lead.
System fault protection is nominal, no fault protection activity.
Copy, thank you. CDS systems lead.
CDS is nominal, we have 2 frames buffered.
Copy, thank you. Telecom systems lead.
Telecom is nominal, good SNT.
Copy, thank you. Radio science systems lead.
Radio science is nominal, signal levels are nominal, the residual frequency is starting to increase.
Copy, thank you. Propulsion systems lead.
Pressures and temperatures are nominal, propulsion is nominal.
Copy, thank you. Mission planning systems lead.
Mission planning is nominal.
Copy, thank you. Flight director systems lead, everything is nominal.
Copy.
And Ace copies.
Thank you, Ace.
So what we just heard was the room going around and checking all of the subsystems. So far, all of the subsystems are nominal, about 4 minutes, 3.5 to 4 minutes away from the end.
Joni, I heard a comment there that we went from low rate to high rate control. Can you comment on that?
Sure. So we have our computer that's controlling our pointing has different modes, and it's smart enough to know when we start having to fight a little harder. So we heard that the computer acknowledged that we start having to fight a little bit.
Okay, thanks. We were remarking earlier, it's incredible this entire spacecraft runs on 600 watts of power. How much power is that?
Yeah, about half a hairdryer.
Wow.
That's all we got right now.
I won't even talk about how little fuel we have left. It's about 1% plus or minus 2%. So that's one reason we're heading into Saturn's atmosphere tonight. Under 3 minutes now. We should definitely emphasize we don't know exactly when we'll lose signal. It depends on the Saturn atmosphere and how well the thrusters fight. So stay tuned.
And
radio signal looks wonderful. X-band and S-band, 2 different radio bands, still getting the signal from Cassini.
We're approaching about 10 degrees north latitude on Saturn.
Yeah.
3,000 miles from the cloud tops.
I remember seeing we were going to hit the atmosphere about 77,000 miles an hour. I see we're close. So. 2 minutes and counting.
Oh, we're starting to exit the...
Systems, this is ACS-1.
Go ahead, ACS.
We're still waiting for transition to high rate mode, but it looks like we're going to start accumulating thruster on time at a higher rate now, and our attitude control error is starting to be more active.
Copy.
That means we're just starting to sense the atmosphere, right?
Yep. We can start seeing the spacecraft starting to lose the battle with the atmosphere.
Systems ACS-1, we just had the transition to high rate mode, And with this, we're going to start seeing thruster on time accumulating very quickly, and the deadband is going to clamp down to 0.552 millirad, and we are in the atmosphere.
Copy, thank you.
Roughly 1 minute to loss of signal.
Systems, this is Nav.
Go ahead, Neff.
We can confirm what AACS just told you.
Copy, thank you.
So we're just starting to see the thrusters fire more and more. Yeah, everyone can see.
Radio signal still holding. 30 seconds.
Systems lead, mission planning.
Go ahead, mission planning.
Spacecraft has just crossed 10 degrees north latitude, altitude 1,000 miles.
Copy, thank you.
Systems, AACS-1.
Go ahead.
With the additional thruster on time, we're going to also see the deadband start riding.
Copy.
Oh, yeah.
We've crossed our 0 time. We let Jamie call it.
Flight director, ready science.
Go ahead, Flight Director.
We have lots of signal at X-ray band and Sierra band.
Project manager, flight director.
Go ahead.
Okay, we call loss of signal, loss of X-band at call loss of signal at 115546 for the S-band, so that would be the end of the spacecraft.
Pat? Project manager on FSO Quard. Maybe a trickle of telemetry left, but just heard the signal from the spacecraft is gone, and within the next 45 seconds, so will be the spacecraft. I hope you're all as deeply proud of this amazing accomplishment. Congratulations to you all. This has been an incredible mission, an incredible spacecraft, and you're all an incredible team. I'm going to call this the end of mission. Project manager, off the net.